How to duplicate clips in Capcut Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut on your mobile. After you've opened Capcut, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on New Project. After that, select your video or picture. Then you'll find it in your timeline. Simply click on your video in the timeline. Then, at the bottom, scroll to the left. You will find Copy option. Simply click on Copy, or you may find it as Duplicate option as well. Click on it, and as you can see, the clip has been duplicated. And this is how to duplicate clips in Capcut Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.